On everybody, this is my way to the dealership. Turn in my R3 for a factory recall. One of those recalls was a transmission bearing and also a radiator hose. Saturday morning, beautiful day, so I'm just gonna drop it off, maybe for a couple days, maybe a week. I'm hoping it's not for that long, but we'll see. Well, I just dropped off the blower motorcycle, the R3, and it looks like it might be done maybe Friday or Saturday of this week. I will stay in touch with the dealership. Since I'm waiting for my Uber, I thought I'd give you a nice little tour of what they have real quick. It's a nice four-wheelers in here. Nice little KTM. I'm just waiting for my Uber. Thought I'd give you a little tour and wait till my bike gets out. You guys have a good one. We'll see you on the next one.